Hey there, I'm Einar, one of the developers behind ENCY, your intelligent CAM system. Today, I'll show you how artificial intelligence is changing the way we create machining processes. AI is everywhere, in your phone, your car, even your coffee machine. And now, it's taking its first confident steps into the world of CAD/CAM. Most CAM systems today include simple AI assistants, usually based on ChatGPT, that can answer questions about software functions or help with G-code explanations. Yep, ENCY has that too. You can just ask, what does this parameter do? And our built-in AI assistant will give you a clear, human-like answer. But we wanted to go further, much further. For years, CAM programmers have dreamed of the big green button. One click to automatically generate an entire machining process. Some startups are now trying to make it real, offering external add-ins that promise automation. But at ENCY, we've built something smarter, our own AI process planner. It's fast, private, and flexible, and it works directly inside ENCY. Here's how it works. You open any 3D model and let ENCY do the magic. Unlike other systems, ENCY doesn't send your 3D model anywhere. Instead, it creates a point cloud describing your part and encrypts every coordinate. This makes it impossible to reconstruct your original geometry. The encrypted point cloud is then vectorized, and only this safe anonymized data is sent to ENCY's own secure cloud. Our AI compares those vectors with thousands of patterns it has learned from real machining projects. Then it sends back the most suitable process plan, all in about 5 to 10 seconds. And there you go, a ready-to-run machining strategy. Just hit generate and ENCY will calculate the toolpaths automatically. Right now, our AI model has been trained on over 3,000 machining projects, mostly molds and dies. It's not yet universal, but the results are already impressive. The best part? Your data stays yours. We don't store your 3D models or send them to third-party services. Our AI works with encoded geometry and runs entirely within the ENCY ecosystem. This unique approach guarantees data confidentiality, high speed, and compatibility with any type of machining, including multi-axis operations. So yes, you can already use AI in ENCY safely and effectively, and we're just getting started. Our mission is to push automation further than ever and keep ENCY at the forefront of CAM innovation. AI Process Planner, intelligent, secure, and built for the future of manufacturing. Thanks for watching, and see you in ENCY.